Welcome again to English Podcast Academy. This is part 3 of our kitchen vocabulary series. You're doing so well. These lessons are slow, simple, and made for you. Maybe you're washing dishes, drinking tea, or just resting while you listen. However you're here, I'm happy you came. Let's continue learning. We'll go word by word with calm examples and simple explanations you can follow easily. Blender. A blender is a machine. It mixes food fast. You can make smoothies, sauces, or soups with it. It has sharp blades. Example: he makes fruit juice in the blender. Yes, that's a useful one. Let's move on. Dish. A dish is a general word. It can mean a plate or a type of food. Sometimes we say, wash the dishes. Sometimes we say, this is a delicious dish. Example: the dish is full of pasta. Now something you might drink from in the morning. Mug. A mug is like a cup but bigger. It has a handle. People drink tea, coffee, or hot chocolate from a mug. Example: she drinks coffee from her favorite mug. That was cozy. Now let's clean a little. Sponge. A sponge is soft and used to clean. It holds water and soap. We use it to clean plates or surfaces. Example: he washes the pan with a sponge. Now what goes with the sponge? Soap. Soap helps clean. It removes dirt and grease. We use it with water to wash dishes. Example: she uses soap to clean the cup. Let's talk about something very simple and very important. Water. We drink it, cook with it, and clean with it. Water is everywhere in the kitchen. Example: he drinks a glass of water. Now something small but powerful. Salt. Salt gives food flavor. A little makes food taste better. Example: add some salt to the soup. And what often goes with salt? Pepper. Pepper is black or white. It adds a little spice. People use it on eggs, soup, or meat. Example: she puts pepper on her salad. Next, something sweet. Sugar. Sugar is white and sweet. It goes in tea, coffee, or desserts. Example: he puts sugar in his tea. And now something used for cooking. Oil. Oil is a liquid used to fry or cook food. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, or other kinds. Example: she fries potatoes in oil. Well done. 10 more kitchen words, slow, clear, and simple. If you felt relaxed while listening, that means you're learning in the best way. Let the words stay with you. You don't have to push, just enjoy. In the next video, we'll learn more ingredients, things we use in everyday meals. You're doing great. If this video helped you, like it. Leave a comment. Tell me your favorite word. And subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. Until then, let English stay in your kitchen and in your mind.